We've all seen or heard about home prices skyrocketing in the past few years. But researchers say that's not the reason for dramatic property increases for some in Ohio. Junia Howell, a PhD researcher, says on average, communities of color saw their property taxes increase by nearly $1,000.
Compared to white neighborhoods that saw their taxes increase just over $400. It's a really large dollar difference. The percent difference, like how much percent-wise, is even more drastic. It's 10 times different.
Howe says the researchers looked at recent sales and changes in the property, but says they found no correlation. She says the new assessment formula being used by the state is devaluing high assessed properties while overvaluing lower assessed properties.
We saw really drastic differences in the relative changes in assessments, which ended up meaning that some people's taxes went down while others went up. And some people were disproportionately the rich people who went down, the white residents, the white communities who went down, and the inverse was true.
Housing Opportunities Made Equal Executive Director Elizabeth Risch says these disproportionate increases will have dramatic long-term effects on homeownership for low-income areas.
The fallout of that is people will lose homes, and we lose a lot of that generational wealth. We lose a lot of that equity that have been in people's households, sometimes for generations, that have been passed down. And so I think that's the population that we're really concerned about, losing that wealth and equity, and how that is going to have a disproportionate impact on people of color and low-income people in our community.
Hey there, thanks so much for visiting the Local 12 YouTube channel. Click the links, hit subscribe to get notified anytime we post content to this channel.